What's up, guys? This is Liberty Tech here, back with another video, and I have a special unboxing for you guys. It's a great smartwatch from a great company, Amazfit, and I'm here to introduce to you the Amazfit GTR 4. Yes, the GTR 4. As you know, I have the GTR 3 Pro, and my wife has the GTR 3 regular, and then I also have the T-Rex. And I also have the GTR 3 Pro Limited Edition. So looking at this brand new spanking new product here, I'm glad to unbox this. Again, very great company, and you know, compared to the other watches out there, this is slept on, and a lot of people need to know about this. So let's quickly get into the box itself. So you have the picture of the Amazfit GTR 4 there. Let's see what it has. It has a 1.43 HD AMOLED display, dual band 5 satellite positioning system, easy 24-hour health management, ultra long battery life. And with these watches, they are great with battery life, and these two go hand in hand with the 24-hour health and fitness stuff. For example, going to bed, you don't want to go to bed with a watch that has all the tracking features, but the battery life sucks. And so when you wake up the next morning, you're down to what, 30-40%, and you can probably try to eke another day, the rest of the day out of it. But with this, you can go to bed and you can go the next day and the next day and the next day, not worrying about battery life. Now, most of the time, these do last 2 weeks or even more. So that's great by me. These other smartwatch companies need to step it up. You're spending $400 or $500 on watches that last three to 4 days at max. Like, come on. So let me go ahead and unbox this and stop the ranting here. And the great thing about this watch is it works for iOS and Android, so you have the best of both worlds with this watch. Just wanted to put that out there. And there goes the logo. Let's go ahead and slide this baby out. And here we have it. It says up your game. And that's what I'm saying. These other watch brands, they need to up their game with battery life and pricing. Usually these range between, well under $300, you know, between $220, $250, and I would gladly pay for that over Apple Watch and Samsung watches. So let's put that off to the side for now. Charging cable for this watch. There you go. 2 prongs. And these charge fairly quickly as well too. Like in like 20 minutes or so, you're about 80%. For me, if I charge from, let's say, 10% to 80%, it'll take about 15 minutes. And last but not least, the manual booklet. And nothing else inside. So let's take a quick look at the watch itself. And it looks like a nice aluminum chassis body. You have your rotation dial here, your input button. At the back you have your sensors, as well as where you would charge with the 2 prongs right there. Let me go ahead and focus on it. Yep. And this seems to have more sensors than the other Amazfits that I've previously owned, or still own. And then you have this nice leather band. Inside is really soft as well. So this is something that you would wear. I mean, you can switch out the bands, but this particular band is something that you would wear out to go eat, or, you know, business meeting, or just casually you know, out and about. But if you wanted to, you know, go to the gym and stuff, I would suggest you just switch out the bands, which are easy to do. As you can see right here, I do have multiple bands that you can purchase from Amazon and stuff like that. Let's go ahead and peel that off. Nice screen size, again 1.43 in screen size. Very nicely designed. Now let's see, let's go ahead and power this thing on. And there you go. So yeah, that's it guys, that's it for the unboxing. I have plenty of videos coming up with this particular watch. Leave a comment down below. Have you ever bought this brand before? If not, why not? I mean, you can't beat the prices with this. You can see my other previous videos on the other Amazfit watches I've owned and did videos on. And yeah, leave this video a thumbs up guys, subscribe for more videos, and peace out.